User requirements describe what the end users need, expect, or want from a product, system, or service. They focus on the goals, tasks, and outcomes that real people hope to achieve when using a system. In simple terms, user requirements tell designers and developers what the user is trying to do, not the technical details. These requirements are essential because they ensure that the final solution solves the right problem and provides real value. If a system does not meet user needs, it fails, even if the technology behind it is perfect. Understanding user requirements begins by identifying the different types of users. Every product has multiple user groups, such as customers, employees, administrators, or even people who maintain the system. Each group has unique needs. For example, a student using an online learning app wants easy navigation, fast access to lessons, and clear progress tracking. Meanwhile, a teacher using the same app might need tools to upload content, monitor student performance, or grade assignments. User requirements capture these differences and make sure the system supports all of them. To gather user requirements, business analysts, product owners, or designers often use interviews, surveys, observations, and workshops. These activities help teams understand how users work today, the challenges they face, and what improvements they want. A key part of this process is listening carefully and asking the right questions. The goal is not to force users to describe a solution, but to let them express their needs and frustrations. For example, instead of saying, "I need a button on the left side," a user requirement should say, "I need an easy way to find my saved items." This gives designers the freedom to create the best possible solution. User requirements often focus on usability, how easily and comfortably a user can perform tasks. This includes intuitive navigation, clear instructions, accessibility for people with disabilities, and consistent design. A system that works technically but confuses users is still considered a failure. Good user requirements help prevent issues like complicated workflows, slow task completion, or unclear interfaces. They push the team to design solutions that are simple, efficient, and enjoyable to use. Another important aspect of user requirements is aligning them with business goals. While users share what they need, organizations must decide which requirements add the most value. Not every request can be implemented, so teams prioritize based on impact, cost, and strategic direction. For example, users might request dozens of new features, but the business might prioritize the features that improve customer satisfaction or reduce support calls. Good user requirements help strike this balance by clearly stating the problem, the reason behind it, and the expected benefit. In agile environments, user requirements are often written as user stories, a simple format such as a user, I want to reset my password so that I can regain access to my account." This format keeps the focus on who needs something, what they need, and why they need it. User stories are small, clear, and testable, making them easy for teams to design, build, and confirm. They also encourage continuous conversation between users and development teams, ensuring that requirements stay relevant as the product evolves. When user requirements are documented well, they lead to systems that feel natural, useful, and trustworthy. They reduce rework, lower development costs, and speed up delivery because the team understands what the user truly needs from the beginning. They also improve user satisfaction because people feel seen, heard, and supported by the final product. A system that delivers on user requirements tends to be intuitive, reliable, and widely adopted. In conclusion, user requirements play a vital role in building successful products and systems. They focus on the real needs, goals, and expectations of the people who will actually use the solution. By capturing accurate user requirements, teams create systems that are easy to use, solve real problems, and deliver meaningful value. Whether in software development, product design, or service improvement, understanding user requirements is the foundation for creating experiences that truly matter.